How do tornadoes form? You've seen the videos, dark skies, swirling columns, and wind that tears through towns like a monster. But what creates these violent funnels from thin air? Why do they strike some places over and over, and how can something so powerful begin with just a breath of wind? Let's chase the storm and uncover how tornadoes are really born. Let's begin with the ingredient: sheet, moisture, and motion. A tornado doesn't start with a roar. It begins quietly, in the warm, humid air near the ground. When that hot air meets cold, dry air above it, the contrast creates instability. It's like mixing gasoline with a spark. You don't get fire right away, but the potential is explosive. Now let's talk about the real engine, the thunderstorm. Not just any thunderstorm can create a tornado. It has to be a supercell. Inside this monster cloud, wind speeds change with height, causing the air to begin rotating horizontally. Think of it like spinning a pencil between your hands, but invisible and made of air. Here comes the twist, literally. That spinning horizontal air gets caught in the storm's powerful updraft. This lifts the rotating air into a vertical position. Now you've got a column of spinning wind pointing at the sky. It hasn't touched the ground yet, but the tornado has just been born. Time to descend into the danger. If the spinning column stretches downward and touches the earth, the tornado becomes visible. A funnel cloud reaches from the sky like a finger of fury, twisting debris, water, and dust into a powerful spiral. From the outside, it may look like chaos, but inside that vortex is a frightening balance of pressure and velocity. Let's chase what comes next: unpredictability. Some tornadoes last only a few minutes. Others tear across land for over an hour. Some are narrow, barely wider than a road. Others stretch for nearly a mile. And while most spin counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere, some rebel and spin the other way. These are not just weather events. They are nature's wild cards. So, how do tornadoes form? They rise from the perfect mix of instability, moisture, and motion, turning storms into spinning disasters. They may be brief, but their impact is unforgettable.